guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. You are guys are highly welcome. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Vita, and my channel name is Princess and Mom. Because that's my daughter, Princess. Yes, Princess and Mom. So this channel is all about making of hair, my daughter hair. So the things I use for her hair, the shampoo, the cream, how I will make her hair grow, because she have her hair is just coming up. So because when I gave back to her, she was having some hair at the front and those at the back, but the front, the center, oh, there was no hair. We decided to cut it off at the age of 1 year. Now the head is coming up a little, so I said, okay, let me start again. Yeah, please guys, if you have any cream or any things you are using for your baby girl, her hair, so what you use for your baby to make her hair strong and also grow very fast, you will share it to me. Please drop it at the comment section. Yeah, so yearly is all about, when I bring some idea, you bring some idea, everything works fine. Okay guys, please, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly do, yes, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy following me, you will enjoy subscribing to my channel. Yeah, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe and also press the notification bell. You will be notified anytime I upload a new video. And like and share, please. If you have anything that you want to say, you drop it at the comment section. Yeah, I will reply. I'm there now. I don't have anything doing. You guys have my backbone. Without you guys, I go nowhere. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, please. You will not regret subscribing to my channel, because every day I will be uploading a new video for my the things I do at home, cleaning, because I love cleaning so much. Although as I'm hairstylist, but I love what cleaning. Oh my god. I love cleaning so much. The thing I use for cleaning, I will also share it here. So when I'm going out, I video some things, or I also share with you guys what I do for myself, because I'm a mom of three boys and 1 girl. We'll also be talking about having children. Oh my god. Those kings, they want to kill me. But go past them, Jerry. Okay guys, if you are a mom, you guys are strong. Mom, it's not easy to have 2 boys and a girl. It's not easy to have a kids. Yeah, raising kids is not easy. Okay, I'm a mother. I'm also a married woman. I'm a Bini woman, but married to an Igbo woman. You are those Igbo men. Oh my god, you guys are so lovely. I'm married to an Anambra man. It's a lovely, not caring man, wonderful man, Igbo man. You guys are super. I want to say very big thanks to my husband, because he's a supportive husband. He's a lovely, not caring husband. Where are the Indigo? If I didn't say it well, I'm sorry. I'm learning. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Please guys, once again, if you are not a subscribe, go and subscribe. You will not regret it. Go and subscribe. Subscribe to Princess and Mom TV channel TV. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for having you guys. Thank you. Please, you guys are my backbone. Without you guys, I'm going nowhere. Princess and Mom, we are going nowhere. Please guys, love us. Take us as your home. Take me as your daughter. Take me as your sister. Take me as your relative. Just everything. Take me on my baby. Please. Oh yeah, now subscribe, please. Thank you so much. Not only subscribe, but press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. You see that red thing, that red button, just go and press it. And also like the video. Thank you guys. I don't want this video to be long, because I don't want to waste your time. It's not an intro video, so I don't want it to be long. Yeah, Thank you so much. I love you guys. What? Okay, guys, have a nice day. Bye.